Hello YouTube. This isn't one of my usual videos. I just wanted to give an update on why it's taken me so long to get Volvo videos out. So, this is my latest project I've been working on for my company. Another new service truck. And it's taken me about a month to set this thing up, between putting in walls, painting, building a front office area. There's also chemical storage up there. Fitting in all the toolboxes and racks and tools and welders and everything you can imagine is in this truck. And it's taken quite a while to get it done. I know it doesn't seem like much, but that toolbox up there is 140 inches. Plus these two snap-on cabinets that are 24 inches. Plus that one, the generator, everything. This truck's 26 feet long, so that's a lot. And my toolbox alone weighs about 5,000 pounds. When I was putting it on with the forklift, it was trying to tip the forklift over. So it's pretty heavy. But I have been preoccupied with the truck up and, fixing anything broken on the truck, doing all this construction work, mounting everything on top of running my business. So I haven't had enough time to do any videos. Right in front of me, out of view from you, is the tan Volvo, which I have been driving and playing with, but I haven't had any time to do any mods or do a video on it, so we will be right on that this week. I want to play with that one a bunch the beginning of this season, and then we'll go back to playing with the Tomato. I have parts for both cars. I have ideas for both cars, so we'll definitely be on those. And I have another toy, not a Volvo, but you might get into it, I don't know. But I picked up a jet ski. And it supposedly ran. And the only thing I can see wrong with it is that it has a bad starter sprag. So I picked one up for it. We're going to get that going and have some fun with that too. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update, so you know why I haven't been making videos. It's not my health. My health's doing pretty good. I'm back to losing weight again, which is good. My heart's been at a good rate. So far so good. Wish me luck. But if everything goes right, figure maybe next week I'll get a good video out for the tan one. Maybe I'll get a good few shots of it driving. That one's pretty quick, so it'd be cool if I can get the camera on the hood or something and go for a ride. And we'll be right back to this. But thanks for being patient. Thanks for watching. And sorry this isn't the usual video, but I'm glad I got something out. Talk to you guys later.